Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and last week we talked a little bit about adding SoundCar and how much more fun it can add to your operations. Well, this week we're going to add a caboose, and we're going to show you a little bit more of the operations, so let's get started. Now, many times things like cabooses and other cars were used as shoving platforms. That meant when the locomotive or the train had to back down a long distance, a lot of times there would be a conductor on the back platform. He would tie his air whistle into the air line, and then he would blow his whistle for grade crossing, so that way the railroad was FRA compliant. Now, this was typically not done on a short distance or just a short backing move, but if they had to go several miles pushing the train back to this depot or to the yard, they would have that conductor on there. Now, one of the cool things about SoundTraxx SoundCar is that we have the ability to add an air whistle onto the sound. Now, in addition, you can also select between 3 air whistles, and that's simply selected in CV115. Now, once we have this, we can add it to our train. You're going to get the clickety-clack and flange squeal, just like you do out of the refrigerator cars that we've added last week. So now, let's take a look and see what it actually does and how much more fun it can make your operations. Okay, well now with locomotive 2303, I'm going to move in reverse, speed step 7. Release the brakes. Now I'm going to push my recall button, talk to 4605, and I'm going to blow the whistle. And now I'll grab 2303 again. I'm going to set the brakes. You're going to see how all the sounds and everything come together, coordinated to a stop. Now we're going to move forward at speed step 10. We're going to release the brakes. Now, what we're doing is we've got these cars consisted using the intelligent consisting to Loco 2303. But now when I'm blowing the whistle on the air whistle on the caboose, so I am sending the commands to address 4605. So you can, on the NCE, use the recall button to toggle between the 2 addresses, or you can have a second throttle. Depends on your command station's limitations. Well, now that we've shown how much more fun we can add with sound into the caboose, be sure to add SoundCar to your roster today. Now, you can purchase these at your local retailer, or you can go online at SoundTraxx.com and purchase direct. Now, also on our website, you can check out the user's guide and the reference manuals to make sure that you're setting up the decoder to operate the way you want.